mpaka bono igabuni ntubite nene nere clear nga Dr. King Fred Matiang'i ngochi kutumiale Jubilee Party ko viable president in 2027. Meaning nga obekire kando UPA ochire na Jubilee. Asek Matiang'i atigirete UPA. Ekina kinte tembaire through on this particular channel lakini ndara korabo igo. Onye nalit kulitanganya kwa video channel ati mukwa times, kindly feel free to subscribe, like and comment because that is the best way you can be able to support this channel. My name is Abdul Mukwa. Please don't forget to subscribe. Number 1, the national picture. UPA party, a party leader, Amos Nyaribo. Utalikuli Nyamira, governor Nyamira. Bantumbamo maiti actually across the country. Nere party leader. A deputy party leader, Tima Itiringo, personally. Tiamba honest. A chairman, MCA Aligo Maward, Nyamira County. A secretary general, MCA Yakurubasi, Kurukubagak, Steve. Mpaka havuo, top leadership yonsi pia UPA, eruetaralia, kusi. Ngama kuiranga, onye babwate kerengele Matiang'i atumie kiame ikyo. Ngoi mukabale pake broaden. Ngiranga Nyaribo ngoi kale arilinguishi is party leadership, being as a party leader. Agetike keroke like vacant Matiang'i go chakoreki occupy. Lakini he did not do that. Ngairanga gisasango rilinguishale CTL batikire chairman nero no Coastal region. Bakaba selfish bonds mbataki tikutike biro gebyo. Nga da direct nominations. Wata yadiko ulipo MCA, wandu senator, wandu na governor. Garana bagaka nguste pale down. Ba open up kiama kelip na vatuale ndizi abo Nairobi. Fakwa nere kiama. They did not do anything. Matiang'i akakwana kuru 2025 kukwanwa anga nguchali kulipo president. Ba ile time bako na isi party. Bonzi people kaba selfish. Ba yetu kwega na isbacha yakoro kiama kelike branded national. Instead chiwa bizibako yoro. Kiama tali obis leaders n'abantu members bono mbachi tiyo make the national party po Matiang'i chire nalibako mekuchiana kuchia kokora chobis kirase chitakonya. That is the reason number 1. The party does not attain the national picture. Number 2, kiama kilingi bwate pesa CMCA babwate MPAM bakatwale governor ngai bakurushi besa bakole campaign na ya mabara hodeli Matiang'i kusi babwate besa. So the fact remains inga Matiang'i has to look for party that attract financial support. Ejore Jubilee because nere bwata banta abange babwate chibeso Uhuru Kenyatta party leader fasani bae Mount Kenya billionaires nebwate structure chibesa chiracho. So it's ideal for him to use the party for 2027. Finance nigente kia muhimu sana. Asiki chibesa chuchu kumuru ase campaign cha 2027 na William Ruto. Mawegera. Igonega ne tiu muntu bwate chibesa na era kuli campaign. Ikia magawa chibesa ki campaign kabisa. And this chibesa icho chibesa chinchiri UPA, ichiri Jubilee. So Dr. King Fred Matiang'i also took it up. Also, Matiang'i is avoiding the tag of being a tribal leader. Tati tukuruna kiongozi kia kusiyoka, ati kuruna kiongozi kia Kenya. Aliko chole pati ya kusiyoka, aliko bekere runga, bono Matiang'i, ne kiongozi kia kusi, chukura chia ene chia kusichoka. Pati bona ka choose Jubilee, akaranyo the national support ile wento kanyora. Also, the other thing is the structure of the party. Party area UPA, they were structure anywhere else except Gusi. Kuchaka we establish structures across Chiovisi, Wapia, Wananchi, readers at the grassroots, Negasi and Kongo. Yaiki Rebono mpaka ya bididi, by and Jubilee, Kiwate established structure nationally. Because we are called a national campaign, Uhuru Kenyatta said to Bogambi, you can buy their structures that exist. Because that is also one of the reasons as to why the UPA party was abandoned by Dr. King Fred Matiang'i. The national structure, Teyo. I also think it is poor performance. Leaders bagusia bange mbara perform. Like now Nyaribo tali na leader ya perform in Nyamira County. In fact, is among the poorest performing governors to what in the country. When you don't perform well, you don't have the authority to speak to Kenyans on matters of leadership. When he traveled to Matiang'i kuru Nairobi bakaumira na Kijauri bakachaga utwale rally, Amos Nyaribo abete heckled all the way mpaka Basongo. Ikamubere getiro. Kuru abuna bako telling abantu mbamutageti. Asinge njugo takolega asi no bwibuka asinye Nyamira County. Ikageranga Matiang'i paka asuntago tarana Nyaribo because kirenza anda bako mukule na nkiko chikogendo. Ikaoro clear linga Nyaribo tabu ate the performance track record era nebo au Matiang'i through party ya UPA. Akoba ngogorega asingi ya kabisa anda bakora angaona UPA ya soka isikete benga na ntuntu watu mumreto kusia. Tualetire Matiang'i. But bona andu bagata Matiang'i mbali yokora kende. Na kura expect abananchi ba accept. So in a nutshell, so party ya UPA they were the moral authority because andu bali in charge, they have poorly performed. Another reason, ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i ya bide dia abandoni UPA nek. I think there's a lot of personal interests chago cha come up. Amos Nyaribo aliko ranga UPA ya were the party which will propel Matiang'i. I go demand for a direct ticket. How many people in Nyamira are coming out to vie for the Gubantero seat? Nyambati, Okongo Mugeni, so many leaders. Lakini bono oleze kwa direct ticket abana ngeba koiru aseruto. Igompa kanya nyalikananga to avoid conflict of interest and give the common mwananchi the chance to decide. Paka yanko nyalikananga I get rid of those people all in totality. Tutuale Amos Nyaribo back to square. So aletera party etewa the governor gusi. Mujumbe naro. But etewa the governor gusi. Gako kana ne party yikiro mondogocho is a fresh person. If I also a party view as new people, I gotta fight for their chance. Period. I think strongly that is what Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i was having in mind. Egarae, the people, the locals, equal opportunity, valige kiongozi kiabo boka. Era kwa nominated members, aba watoko boko towards 2027. I don't know what is your take, but on the comment section, aboko share na inche, understand what is your point of opinion. See you next time for more videos. Aseli Marieta, nguru kwa bell mokwa. Please do ever go subscribe.